Hello friends, Vanakkam. Good evening to everyone. Now I am going to launch my great friend Isha Phillips. What she is a painter, interior designer, fashion designer, art curator, art historian, art writer, consultant, so many things. She is a very talented friend of mine. So she is, having a catalog, business catalog. Before that, let me light the lamp. Our traditional, yes, yeah. Okay, now I'm so glad, and I'm very happy also to launch two things today. One is the business catalog, art catalog it is. See, such a beautiful catalog. See this, such a beautiful catalog. And this is Sainisha, or Sainisha A, her company name, and she is the founder of this company. And here I can see all the very, very, very interesting work. See, I can see Chennai-based Saravanan paintings, Biju Nagesh, so many. These are all very, very, very beautiful painting and varieties. So very important for any art collectors or institutional collection or big hotels for their display for artwork. They should get the right work, right sculpture. They have to get the right one. So galleries are doing that, and like this Isha, they are experts. They travel a lot, and they read a lot, and they meet artists, and and she is the right person to get in touch with, to get a right painting, a work of art. So this is the one. I am so happy to launch such a beautiful catalog. This is available, and you can see the Facebook, the address and contact this one. And this is very interesting. And another very important launching today is her postcard. The postcard, this is, see this, actually this is a painting, this is the one. So actually we forgot very, very important the postcard, posting greetings, wishes, birthday, inviting birthday party for the kids, and so many things we do with the postcard. Nowadays WhatsApp and so many the media, this one, you will not remember what it is. You just see message, you'll see, okay, like that, okay. So these things we will keep it as a souvenir. Still I have so many invitations, so many greetings from so many people all over the world. When they are writing with their personal signature and sending greetings, it has a big value. This is what I wanted to say. And Sainisha is Fine Arts Business Catalog, and the card, this printing, it is a limited edition. You will get 50, starts from 50, set of 50, 100, 200, whatever quantity you want, and you will print your own photograph or your own work of art, or your company or whatever you want to print, and with the stamp you can send, write their address and post it. They will receive so happily when they see this. I myself, I'm thinking that because we have our Surya Art Foundation doing lot of art activities, and so that we will also get in touch with Isha for our Surya Art Foundation's cards. So something like that. It is very important. See, I remember in the college days, College of Arts. I was a graphic designer. Basically, I studied commercial art. So any festival like Diwali, like Pongal in Tamil Nadu, New Year. So I used to make my own card. I will buy the card or I will make it and stamp. I will design myself. Sending, and many of my relatives and friends, they will receive with a big, so happy, they will. Those days, no mobile, even no phone, very less phones. So this is the one will keep your love, your affection, this is very very important. You are sharing your love, personally, but with your own handwriting you are sending. This is very very important, and do contact her for whatever your requirement to Isha, and even the printing quality is so nice. It's a very good quality. Being a designer myself, first designer only, afterwards only I am an artist and I am a sculptor also. This is one of my sculpture here. This is so happy. I am very very glad. She is doing such a wonderful thing, and it is a big honor for me that she asked me to do this launching, and very I'm so happy, Isha, and in her business, and my best wishes, good luck, and we will keep in touch. Okay, Isha? Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.